How can you make money on YouTube in 2020? Those of y'all that's new, make sure you subscribe to Super Album TV. I do cash giveaways and everything else too. But money making videos, weight loss videos, y'all get the picture. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Now let's get into the video. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all came to this video because you are interested to know how to make money with your YouTube channel in 2020. What if you don't have 1,000 subscribers? What if you can't reach that 4,000 watch hours? Well, one way you can start to make money with your YouTube channel in 2020 is you sign up for an Amazon affiliate link program. You know, in other words, you get the links, you put up a bunch of YouTube reviews, you put it on your YouTube channel, and that's one way you can make money. Basically through affiliate marketing. And it don't have to be Amazon. I was using the example for Amazon because of if you review each product, do a separate video on each product, you can make money if someone likes your review, they like the way you were talking, and they say, hey, I'm interested in buying this product. They click on the link in your description. That's one way you can make money. You can also make money through donations. Obviously, there's some people that get donations from Cash App, from PayPal. So you know, I guess you can ask for donations in your videos, and somebody decide to donate to support your channel, they can send you donations. Ding, ding, ding. That's another way. The other way, like I said before, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But once you get that, you'll be able to make money with super chats, which is a great feature. So when you go live, people can basically support your channel and support your live stream by giving you what's called super chat, or you can call them super messages. So that's one other way you can make money. Obviously, the other way is once you get approved and get your videos monetized, you can put ad breaks in your videos, and that's one way you can make money with YouTube in 2020, because this is a new time right now, right? 2020. So I'm telling y'all, I'm giving y'all the update. These are the new things. Those of y'all that haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this one and only YouTube channel where I have plenty of videos like this, money making idea videos. I do free cash giveaways. And I also do weight loss videos as well. I'm documenting my weight loss journey right here on the channel, Super Album TV. Make sure y'all subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one, ladies and gentlemen.